Saber Interactive announced a new game named John Wick game at Sony State of Play broadcast, bringing you an experience that fits you right into the world of John Wick. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Based on Lionsgate's famous film franchise, the John Wick game will be a single-player third-person action play where players will be dropped in the life of the iconic assassin played by Keanu Reeves. The action will feel authentic, making you feel like it's taking scenes straight from the John Wick movies. PlayStation said the gameplay will feel like a movie, but in a fully playable way. It said the developers are making a distinct combat system from the ground up to ensure they can copy the iconic John Wick style, adding that there are signature elements from the John Wick movies that are also present in the games to enhance the overall interactive experience. John Wick game franchise director Chad Stahelski teased that this is just the beginning. He said, "We're thrilled to share our first look, promising plenty more to come as development continues." Looks like now, John Wick fans will have the opportunity to experience the character playing the recently announced John Wick game at the State of Play broadcast. PlayStation said, "We're creating rich neo-noir elements that will also contribute in a major way to create a thrilling experience." John Wick is about fine details and iconography present throughout various locations and environments that players can visit during the course of different missions. The John Wick game will be launched on PC, PS5, and Xbox Series S and X, giving an opportunity to every year to live a day as his favorite hitman. For more tech and gaming updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.